Hi everyone, it's Lynn. Welcome to my crafty corner. Today I'm using my Cucarusa die of the birds on a branch. Just wanted to use it, that's all. Right, so I've cut out a mat, and what I did was I was playing, and I should have done it on camera, but I didn't. I had a stamp of this tree, which it was from a magazine. It was one of those, you know, the free ones that you get from a magazine, and so was the tree. So what I did was I used Mossy Meadow, Stampin' Up's Mossy Meadow, and I stamped it once, stamped it again, and stamped it a third time without refilling the ink, so it looks like we've got shadows, like the trees are further behind. I thought it looked all right. Hey ho. And then I need to colour the birds in. Oh, look, I've done something. Now, don't laugh. Well, you can laugh, because I've laughed. I've never seen birds that look like this before. Yeah, that's my birds. I've coloured them in. I'm not very good at colouring. So my birds are going to go across there, looking like they're joined on a branch between the trees. Oh, my God. Oh, God, if I was a bird that looked like that, I think I'd shoot myself. Anyway, we're going to do something else with these birds in another few weeks. So we're going to do something totally different, which will hopefully look a lot better. And as I was colouring them in, their eyes fell out. Poor things, I haven't got much going for them, have I? So, and the beaks fell out. So what I did was I cut little bits of paper, card on the back, and coloured them in with what colour I wanted their eyes. That one's eyes have not fallen out, and that one hasn't. So I just put a little bit of card behind just to keep them sticking in. Oh my God, I am so sorry, birds. I really am. Oh well, you gotta laugh, haven't you? Might be better if their eyes fell out. They wouldn't be able to see what they look like. Oh dear. The poor things. Well, never mind. It can go in the bin. Some poor unfortunate will get this card. I'll give it to my dad. He'll like it. Bless him. I'm sorry, but they do look weird. I don't mind anybody laughing as long as you've had a laugh and had a good time. I don't care. I know they look horrendous. Oh God, how the hell can I improve that? Well, yeah. Well, they're on. That's all I can say is they're on. I'm going to cut some of these out, cut some leaves out, see if this will make any. I really doubt if it'll make an improvement. Well, I do say that you get all my videos, warts and all. This is a big wart. It is. Poor things. And that in the middle of the lighter coloured ones. Oh, I've nearly decapitated a leaf. Never mind. I think the birds need decapitating and it might look a bit better. Hopefully YouTube won't block me for saying that word. Oh. I should have cut these out earlier. And here's one I prepared earlier, just like the colouring. Oh dear me. They look like Dr. Frankenstein's been at them. Oh, like I was going to say, the lighter ones. It's supposed to be salmon pink in the middle. That. Salmon pink. I'd hate to see a piece of salmon that colour. I think it'd be off. These leaves were part of the set from magazine. In fact, there were 2 different magazine ones. And I just cut them out. No, I didn't cut them out. I stamped them. I'm cutting them out now. Gotta cut a little stalky bit off. Why didn't I do this before? Because I didn't think. I thought I'd do a good job of the birds, but they're absolutely rubbish. Oh. So I've used soft seafoam, mossy meadow, and another green, which I can't remember what it is. Part of the course today, isn't it? But I hate. Did I say soft succulent? Or did I say soft seafoam? Soft succulent. That's this one. I like this green. Not a big fan of green. I like blue. Navy blue and purples are my favourite colours. You wouldn't guess, would you, with the cards that I make, that are nearly all lilac and purple. No. But yes, navy blue. I was so glad I had a navy blue uniform at the vets. I once went to the supermarket after work and I had my uniform on it. It looks like a sister's uniform, a nursing sister. And this gentleman came up to me, put his hand on my shoulder and said, "I just want to say thank you for all the work that you do." And I went, "Oh no, I'm not a nurse. I'm a vet's receptionist." "Well," he says, "that's good work as well, sir." "Okay, thank you, sir. Well, oh. I don't know whether I like that either. Oh my goodness me. This is a ruddy great wart. Tell you. I tell you. Get what you're giving with me. Oh! Well, might as well throw it on the floor, hadn't I? Where the hell have you gone now? Oh, you're there. I'm back. I don't know if I'm even going to make this into a card. It's not exactly Tate Modern stuff. Well, it could be Tate Modern, yeah. You never know. Might get a prize. I don't know what that would be, but you never know. Probably a Golden Raspberry Award or something like that. Oh my God. Yeah, I think the next technique that I do will be a lot better. Oh my goodness. I don't know why I'm even bothering trimming it. Well, you know, it sometimes looks a lot better once you've trimmed the bits off. Somehow I don't think this is going to look any better. Oh my word. Oh God. And stick it on a card. I'm not even going to waste the card front. No, I'm not even going to waste it. Well, there you go. That's a disaster today. So thank you for watching. If you like what you see and you've had a good laugh, give me a thumbs up. Don't share me with your friends because it's embarrassing. Oh my word. That is awful. Take care of yourself, my loved ones, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.